People, welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I give you an update on the snake. That's Shab snake. Big murder trial a come up. The next high profile murder trial in Ireland. I can talk about it because I see something come out in the papers. Very interesting. And by the last video we drop we say them have to go try and get that witness. We do a video call and a live. In 2025, a witness shouldn't have to be physically in a court. When I'm see come on the papers say prosecution wants witness to appear via video link. The DPP and our team are trying to get the witness to appear via video link. Will it happen? We have to go see. I'm still going to talk about it. Before we go into that, couple of things. When you notice the infrequency of the video, but I'm already telling you say right now, we kind of live like a nomad. So you see, what happened Sunday gone, when you see 3 video drop, that is going to be the new format of this platform. I'm not saying every Sunday 3 video go drop or any particular day multiple videos are going to drop, but you will make multiple videos and then drop them in one day. So if you see 3 days pass and you look YouTube and I drop the content, it's 4 days pass, then know say at least one day in that week you will see 3 video drop. That's how we're going to do it. Next thing I want to talk about. I see Lisa Hype back in the media again, arrested for all kind of madness. I'm going to drop our next Lisa Hype video. What you now witness right here so is the full breakdown of Lisa Hype. And me say, she say all kind of things about the little YouTuber, but we don't hold that against her, you know it got ready. You don't know 7 times Irish woman, of course you, right, them not ease up. So you know we not try win no tracing contest with no woman, because we can't win them already. You can't win that come like, right, Mr. Bean I try to take on Mike Tyson in a fight. You can't win. Right, a war of words. Right, with the Irish woman. So we not try to win them already. Instead we are try to stick to what we know. We are try to stick to the reality. And the reality is that such man from a very early age beat out the sense them out of Lisa Hype. And she alone. That's why we talk about enough of them. But then we see them run back to him. And then we see them run back from him. It has to be studied. But Lisa Hype, being in custody right now might be a good thing for you because you're safe behind bars. You see them things that we are threatening to put out about such man, you have to do it strategically. Because from long time, right, such man, I beat and batter down. And right now, it look like him beat out enough our brain cell them. We now witness Lisa Hype breaking down, mentally breaking down in front of her. We don't know how far this breakdown will go, but Mr. Whoop say in the meantime, she drops her in the intel on such man. Now that she's in custody might be a good time. Because we don't know how far she go spiral down the rabbit hole, and we don't know what such man might do her, so get what I get from Lisa Hype from now. But that'll come in our next video. We can talk about Shab snake. Come out in the papers, RJ married offer. Headline say, prosecution wants witness to appear via video link. The prosecution in the murder trial of popular dancehall music producer Shab Snake is to make an application to have one of his witnesses appear via video link on Monday. If that application go through, it's going to be really interesting. Really interesting. Shab Snake is being represented by the usual people them. Tom Tavares and co. You know the senator? Him in the House of Senate cock up in foot claims say might help push through bills to reduce crime. Meanwhile, at the country's biggest criminals them, I put money in their pocket. Cock up in foot in the House of Senate. Them all give him president of the Senate one at a time. Big title. claim to them sitting at the House of Parliament and come up with strategies to get rid of criminals. How Tom Tavares thinks he must get rid of him client base. That's what they call a unicorn of interest. Who do these guys serve? Them tell the people them say them are put together this to bring true laws and help stop this and fight crime and do all these things. But then, if people like Shabdon were no longer on the streets, how do I call it them millions per millions? You see, unlike your favorite lawyer guy, if crime wipe out the Ironman tomorrow, we can talk about all kind of things and people still tune in. But if crime was to truly get fixed, enough people in the Ironman get where they don't get. Man, I tell you, Tom Tavares thinks not trillionaire and he don't need nothing. Alright, them tell him to work for Shabdon for free then. Tell him to work for free then, since he don't need it. I'm just saying. Who do these people serve? They might get rid of crime, but if crime was to get drastically reduced, them not nobody else to represent. Madam DPP, if this application go through and get accepted, that will be something for talk about. Now, knowing Ironman, won't really put my part on fire. Say it's going to be accepted because all bad things have to go on. The witness have to go still want testify. Application have to get accepted. All kind of things. But at least, now it's not a case of Shabdon definitely go walk. Because if they asked me before this, I tell you say Shabdon definitely go walk. But depending upon this application and how it go, then make we see. But it only makes sense. In 2025, remember me telling you, we know them have the ability to do video link, We know that. But we are talking about a case where a man in a whole different country, in this instance, sitting behind bars in a whole different country. One time in the Ironman, that was it. No hope, case done. But it's modern times. Anybody can pick up a phone and WhatsApp call somebody. Anybody can FaceTime somebody. So why wouldn't the justice system use the same technology? The DPP office pull this off, and again, in my opinion, the odds are against them. But if they pull this off, this should have to go down as one of their greatest stripes to rape on them chest. If they pull this off. Not just because of the difficulty in getting it done, getting the application approved, getting the witness to still want to talk, but also how high profile the defendant is. Madam DPP, over to you. Right now, a year roll and I have to pay for living night. A year roll until Monday until the case flap and then we have to go run him back and drop two video. But knowing the application go on, if it no work out, this will go change the follow up to the Shabdon video. Because if application never go on, then the DPP and our team would have to get called out because of them dep on a joke thing. But once we see them apply, that means alright, they make an effort. So the justice system or the bigger heads them turn it down, then we can't hold against them. So we have to go see. But it's not a bad look, is it? PIA. It's not a bad look. Expect more videos to drop. One of my people in from the Patreon squad are linked me. I said, look YouTube, and one time you tell about one video where you're going to do the mathematics of scamming. I have to remind me. So I have to write it down. The video that come, the mathematics of scamming. I'm going to tell you why. The idea is a social intervention program can deter youth. A youth who have the mindset for scam. Like any social program going to deter him, they're going to show you the mathematics of scamming and show you why that is absolutely laughable. Anyway, authorities, remember if you look after Lisa, I make them do her nothing. I make them do her nothing in a jail when she go on the road. I make them do her nothing either because she know whole heap. But like how much she cost to look at YouTuber, one of them things that we drop video and she answer back. Nothing wrong with that. Let me tell you, you can't win chasing an argument with our woman. But right now we have to put them things aside. Petty things like this have to get put aside. Right now we have bigger sprat for fry. Get it? Bigger sprat for fry. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Voter squad, stay circling. Bless.